Hello my dear friend, I am Duke Sama. Today I am going to show a science experiment of Hovercraft. Do you know what is Hovercraft? A Hovercraft is an odd-looking vehicle. It is platypus of transportation world. Hovercrafts are unique because they can glide over any flat surface. They are called amphibious because they can operate on both land and water. Do you know who uses hovercrafts? Military, search and rescue teams, explorers, tour guides, and land surveyors, among others. How to build a hovercraft? We need CD, copper cap, balloon, and hot glue gun. Glue two copper caps over hole at the center of the CD. Second step, close the caps opening. Third step, blow the balloon and hold its opening with one hand. With the other hand, wrap the balloon neck over the cap. Now place the hovercraft on a flat surface. Now pull the cap open so balloon can deflate through series hole. Now let me tell you the science behind this fun. As Sir Isaac Newton said, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. When we open the popcorn cap, air rushes out in downward direction. This pushes balloon in up direction. The weight of CD prevents balloon from floating in air and cushion of air from under the CD. This allows hovercraft to stay slightly above the ground and float freely. Thank you. Hope you like my science experiment. You can also make it in your home. Bye-bye.